Good day, everyone. Welcome to Civil Service Math Reviewer of ShareParts Online. This is Christian Vin Bantayanan Partosa, your lifelong learning buddy. So, before we'll start, please subscribe to this channel in order for you to get the latest videos on your devices. Okay, so this is our problem, fraction as part of whole. Just a review for last time. We have part equals fraction times whole. So when translating words to math, use the following is R. Okay, that's a review for last time. For today, for our problem number 12, we're going to solve the following. So n equals 1/4 times 200, O equals 3/4 times 60, P equals 3 over 5, this is a mixed number, times 45, then M equals 5 over 6 times 120, and Q equals 9 over 2 times 30. Okay, so let's start for our solution. So for n equals 1/4 times 200, what we're going to do is we are going to multiply 1 by 200. So that will become 200 divided by 4. And then in order for you to have some ease in your computation, you try to think of numbers that are, these are called, these are the factors of 200. So the factors of 200 would be 5 times 4, 20 times 10. So that's 200. So that you can cancel this out, the quotient of 4 and this one. So that we have 10 times 5, that is 50. Okay, so that's the technique. But if you are going to divide this directly, 200 divided by 4, you can still get 50. Okay, but in this way, you can have an ease of computation. Okay, I hope you will do that. Okay, next problem, we have the solution. O equals 3/4 times 60. So what we did is we multiply 3 by 60 divided by 4. And then we think of a number that is the factor of 60. So that's 15 times 4. Okay, 15 plus 15, 30 plus 45, then 45, then 60. So that we could cancel this out, then we could have 3 times 15, which is already familiar with that particular number. O equals 45. Okay, next. 3 over 3 fifth times 45. So what we will do is we're going to make this into like this. So we think of 3, this is you look at the quotient is 5. So that's 3. You're going to multiply that by 3. 5 times 3, which is 15, plus this one. So 3. Okay? Okay, just a review. You multiply this one, the quotient, by this whole number. So 5 times 3, that's 15. Then we add this one, the quotient, that's 3. That's that. That's not the quotient. That's the dividend. The dividend. Okay, uh, so we have 18 divided by 5 times 45. So after that, we are going to think of a factor of 45. This is equivalent to 9 times 5. Okay, so that we could cancel the 5. So we have now 18 times 9. Then you try to factor this out so that it's very easy to compute. So 18 is 9 times 2 times 9. So to get 162, easily you multiply 9 times 9, that is 81 times 2. 80 times 2, that's 160, plus 2, 162. So that's how we have the shortcut in computation. Okay, next solution for another problem. 5 over 6 times 120. So 5 times we get the factors of 120. So that is 2 times 6, which is 12, times 10, 120. Okay, divided by 6. This one 6. So we can cancel this out. what remains is 5 times 2 times 10. So that's very easy to compute. 5 times 2 is 10, 10 times 10 is 100. Okay, next. We have Q equals 9 over 2 times 30. So 9 times, we get the factor of 30. So 15 times 2, that is equivalent to 30 divided by 2. So 2 will be cancelled out. Then you have 9 times 15. So what you will do here is you look for the uh, factor of 9, which is 3 times 3. So 15 times, you will have now 3 times 15, that is 45 times 3. So 45 plus 45, 90 plus 45, 135. So it's very easy, and I hope you learn someday. You learn something today. You learn something today, and I hope you subscribe and look for our different videos in mathematics reviewer. And thank you very much for watching. Always remember, learning is lifetime. Goodbye.